subscribe because I want you to. Yes, that's apparently how it works now. If you notice that the mouse is moving more quickly and more precisely, that's because I got a trackpad with a pen. And now I can do that. But as I said last video, we're going to be talking about rational tangles. Yay, rational tangles. What are rational tangles? Well, first let's start with a circle that is a pretty bad circle. We start with a circle. That's the best I can do. And we have two lines like this. And then you can make two different moves. We can make a vertical twist. If it's counterclockwise, like this, we get a -1. But if it's like this, +1, because you can see how it can either go like that or that. I have to make sure I have him recording the whole time. Nice. So let's notate this as V for vertical twist. Now there's one more type of twist. Horizontal twist. Now if we have this, let's see, that would be, if you were to look at it from here, that would be clockwise, +1. So the opposite, -1. And let's notate this as H. Now that we have our symbols in control, if it would there. So now I can do things like -3h plus 3v minus v. And basically that would mean 3 negative horizontal twists plus 3 positive vertical twists plus 1 minus horizontal twist. Makes sense. I just explained to you what negatives and positives mean. You can go back, but positive clockwise, negative counterclockwise. So yeah. So let's have the example of -3h plus v plus 3h minus 2v. You don't have to solve anything for this. This is just an example. So we're going to make a chart. If the last thing is v, then that turns into 0 plus the last one over second to last one plus this one over this. You see how that works? It's a continued fraction. But if the last ends in h, let's say we add 7h, then we have 7 plus 2 over 3 plus 7. Oh yeah, that's 1 over 1 plus and minus 3. I think you might be able to get the point. So that allows us to make some pretty cool things, like if you were to have 1v plus 1v plus 1h plus v plus h dot 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 dot, you would either get phi or we can work this out, but it's correct me if I am wrong, but please do correct me again. I said, please do. I make many mistakes. So that's an example of an irrational one. So, but you could I strongly recommend you play around with some stuff. You could get a piece of paper and draw something like h minus v plus 3h minus 2v. And then draw it, blah, 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 and write the continued fraction. And probably work it out. That would be very fun. And for your pleasure, we will work one of them out. Because you like math. You're watching me. You like math. Let's have h. And also, it doesn't matter if you start with an h or a v. It just matters if you end with an h or a v. H, so let's do h minus v plus 3h minus, that's good. That is good. And I need to redraw all of that, so let's do, so we start with 0 plus 3, so far 3, over 1, 3, plus 1. Oh, really, 1 over 1. But that goes to 0 plus 3 over 1 plus 1, which goes to 0 plus 3 over 2, also known as 3 over 2, or 1.5, which means this equals 1.5. Yay! This video was soundly very quick, but I have two things. One, the next video, which is going to be about Zermelo-Fraenkel set theory and first order set theory, and two, the announcement. I have an announcement to make, and here it is. I will be setting up a Discord server and we'll be doing something math related for Halloween. The day before Halloween, I will post a video for the people who joined the Discord server, and then link it in the Discord server. So, yes, I will be making a Discord server, most likely in a few days. So, I will make a public video announcing it as soon as I do make it. I will create the Discord server and then immediately just make a 3-second video announcing it. And you can come, and then the day before Halloween, or the first day of Halloween, I will explain what to do. And it is something math related for October. And if you like this, I will be doing it every year. And I'll be doing it for different months if you do enjoy it this month. So please let me know, because I will either stop Mathtober or continue it. And yes, I am calling it Mathtober. What a creative name. That is today's video. And again, next video is about Zermelo-Frankel set theory, or also known as ZFC, and first order set theory. I will be explaining both of them as best as I can, maybe with some analogies along the way. So stay tuned, I guess. Bye.